This is what the spaghetti diagram does, shows with the various models going very warm. There's one model that was pretty close to reality, that purple model there, and that is the Russian model. And so it's good enough to see that big red line is the average of the models going very hot when the real world is not. Using a deeper layer, the satellite temperatures that we generate in Huntsville, Alabama. Anyway, so using the satellite data, we get the same answer. And we have verified the actual observations from 3 completely different types of networks: satellites, balloons, and so on. The models fail. Now, in classical science, in the science I was taught, and I'm sure the science you were taught, when you make a claim, when you make a hypothesis, and it fails, you reject your hypothesis and go back to the beginning and start again. That's the way I learned how to do science. In science today, when someone shows that your hypothesis fails, you just yell louder that it's right. Yell and yell and yell and drown out the person who says, wait, your hypothesis fails.